Today at Solution Mania, I will help you find the best ways to make your very own first app. This will include the level of knowledge you have on programming languages. Well, don't sweat it right now, cause I am here to give you solutions, not to be an obstacle. So, I have included one course that doesn't require any coding. Let me familiarize with the three courses that we are going to discuss about today. The first one is a Udemy course that doesn't require any coding and is quite plain and simple. The second and the third are Google provided courses that are based on the programming languages Java and Kotlin. Java is considered as a prominent language in the programming world, and also Kotlin is rather new but has made its name in the past 3 years since it has been authorized by Google as the second Android app. Our first course is a Udemy course that is based on Android app development without coding, and it will take you through a series of activities that will require you to enroll on a free app making website. Then they will teach you how to make your first app and upload them on the Google Play Store. The best thing about it is its simplicity. It's easy to understand, but it will be complex when you are making big apps. So I would recommend that you choose the second and the third option. The second course is provided by the Google and it's based on the Java language. Well, I will recommend it to you because Java is a prominent language in the programming world. So through this course, you will get 2-in-1 offer. That is, you will learn the Android app development as well as you will learn Java. So this course has 5 stages in it, and each stage includes 1 week or 2 weeks of your time. The first step is to make a build simple app. That is, it is a 1-page app where you will just show what you have made. In the second stage, you will make it user friendly. That is, the users can interact with your app through buttons and tick mark or checkboxes. The third stage is where you will make it a multi-page app. That is, on clicking on your app, you can open another app or you can find another page in your app. The fourth stage includes getting information through internet into your app. You will make an earthquake app where you will get up data from the site of US and it will keep on getting updated. The fifth is how to maintain the storage of your app and how to upload that storage on internet. The third course is also a Google course and it is provided in Kotlin language. Kotlin was authorized by Google 3 years back in 2017. But since then, it has made 50% of the users or the Android app developers to consider it as the main language over Java. Kotlin is rather easy and lightweighted than Java. It has many usage and it can be considered as an Android developer first choice, but Java will help you in other cases. Like if you don't want to go in Android app development, then you can use Java to enter another company. With this video, I hope you might have found a way to keep your time productive, and if you have any doubts, you can feel free to contact me in the Instagram ID that I provided in the description. If you like this video, then do subscribe and like. So let's see you in another video. Thank you.